Black House in Vilnius, designed by Laurynas Žakevičius Architects, and completed in 2014, epitomizes precise, purified aesthetics through its use of natural stone, wood, and concrete. Located on a sloping site, the house seamlessly integrates with its terrain, creating a continuous space between indoor and outdoor areas. The design divides the house into functional zones, with the entrance and technical facilities positioned at the lower level, and the living spaces at the upper level. The minimalist interior, featuring monochromatic gray tones and natural oak flooring, promotes a sense of freedom and lightness. The house's clean geometric forms and strategic use of natural materials allow it to blend harmoniously with its surroundings, offering a tranquil and unobstructed living experience.